Hey everybody, how you doing today? Sorry for wearing the hat inside, but my hair is getting a mess. I'm sure most of you guys out there haven't had a haircut in quite a while with all this stuff that's going on. So anyways, I just want to show you guys something kind of cool. I found a new way to make some extra income with my gardening. It sort of kind of came up all of a sudden. I thought I was going to be doing the market this year, and they kind of booted me out. Long story, we won't get into it. Anyways, I've had to come up with another way to sell a bunch of stuff that I wanted to sell anyways, and I was going to do it at the market. But I ended up with my girlfriend selling stuff off of Kijiji and the Facebook Marketplace. So I've been making a lot of extra money here selling my seedlings. I've got a bunch going out tomorrow, so I'll show you those ones here. I've sold, I don't even know how many now, probably 200 or 300 seedlings now. So all these trays I gotta take out tomorrow. Some more in there, and these guys here, and then my living room's just a mess. Sorry for the mess. So many plants everywhere, but I've got a lot of these ones here going as well, which is kind of cool. And then those ones, I'm taking most of those to the garden over there, but I've got a bunch over here. Sorry if the light's a bit dark right now. Grow lights are off, but a lot of these ones I need to pot up as well to sell off, because it's way more than I can put in my garden. All this. So yeah, it's just right now for me kind of thinking outside of the box. If I'm not able to sell my veggies at the market, which I normally do, then I have a great client base. I'm selling seedlings, and then as well we decided we're going to do a little 10-box program. I figured we'd probably make more money doing the 10-box program every week for the whole summer than sitting at the market and sitting there for 6 hours selling way less than I probably would in a box program. So that's just another way to think outside the box, guys, in this kind of time. Right now is a really good time to kind of do things like this. Everyone is looking for seedlings to buy. Everyone's looking for seeds to buy. Everyone's looking for things to grow because of all the situation in the grocery stores. It's hard to get good food. Things are running out. So this is a great way to find some food security. I'm glad I've been growing food for 7-8 years now, and I know what I'm doing. I can grow food for myself and for my friends, and also for the people that want to buy food from me, providing good, healthy, high quality produce. So that was just a quick little video there, guys, just to tell you guys how to make some extra money with your gardening if you're looking to find an extra revenue stream in this kind of time when a lot of people have lost their jobs or on layoff or whatnot. So hope you guys like that quick little video, guys. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my videos, and share it around. Hope you're having a great start to your spring. Hope you're getting some things planted. For me right now, it's been a cold May. It's like polar vortex here right now. So everything's like -2, -3 at nighttime, which is kind of odd for May. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you out there.